Mac Jones is the new starting QB for the New England Patriots. Let's look at the last play former starting QB Cam Newton had as a Patriot and see what's different. No, this is not Mac Jones. This is Cam Newton. He's backed up against his own end zone. This is his last play. He makes his reads, goes back, wants to go right, comes back to his left, throws into double coverage, interception. Hey, defense celebrates. Of course they do. We love Cam Newton. Who doesn't when you're playing defense? Now let's go back and see what Mac Jones, the real Mac Jones, does in his first few plays, every passing play that he has as he starts out. He comes in, he's in the shotgun here. He's checking things out. He makes some adjustments. He's looking. Hey, the Giants are going to be bringing some pressure here. First play for a rookie QB. Yeah, they are. Boom, dumps it out. Nice play. No negative yardage here. Comes back next time. He's under center this time. Comes in. He's making his reads. He's looking around. Okay. Now he's going to make his adjustments to the left. Make a little call over. Whoa, wait a minute. I just saw something new. Oh, wait a minute. I saw something new here. Let's talk to everybody, okay? Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Aye, delay of the game. First two plays. Wow, Josh is putting on a little weight there, isn't he? Yeah. And he comes back again. It's not starting out all that great. What do you get from 1st and 15? How about 21 yards to Wilkerson? Huh? That's what the defense is saying. I thought I had this guy covered. I thought you had him. No, nobody had him. Let's go back the next play. He's going to go down. Let's go to Wilkerson again. This time, hit him in stride. 27 yards. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. This is really working out. Couple running plays, comes back. How about up the seam? New guy. Touchdown. That's what you want from your new QB, who's your starting QB. Everybody loves him. This is what's exciting. If you are a New England Patriots fan, you got your QB of the future. This guy is real. He's not Cam Newton, and that is good news. Congratulations.